This is the panel for study of earth fault relay. In this panel, we are going to make a graph of fault current versus trip time. It is an IDMT relay, so the graph will come in the inverse direction. So first of all, let me explain you the features of the panel, and then we will go through the experiment. This is the digital current meter. It will indicate the fault current. In this, we are going to identify the earth leakage current. That is why we have connected one terminal to the ground, and ground. This is the neutral. So this is start and stop button. With this button, the current source will start and the timer will also operate. This is the variable current source, in which we are varying the input AC voltage. With this AC voltage on this fixed current source, different current is provided. This is the trip indicator. Trip indicator will switch on when the relay trips. As you can see, this is the main relay on which we are working. This is the inverse type CDG relay. These are the different plug settings. The current settings: 0.1, 0.15, 0.12, 0.1, 0.25, 0.3, 0.35, 0.4. This relay works with 0.1 to 0.4 ampere current, and this is the flag which we have to set after everything. So let me make you understand the wiring. The positive of the current is going towards the current source. The other end of the current source is going to one end of the relay, and this negative and ground are shorted, and the positive of the current source is going to the positive of the relay is going to the other end of the digital current meter. To set up the panel, we will switch on the MCB, and then we will set the current to set the voltage to 40 volt AC. This will indicate a 0.5 ampere current. Now when I switch on the current, the relay is working, the disc is rotating, and now what we will do is, for this setting, we will note down the fault current, which will be indicated in this, and then we will note down the trip current, the time taken, trip time, which is indicated in this meter. So I will take down this reading, the current and the trip. Now I will reset it and set the voltage to 60 volt AC. Push the flag up and then again start the process. This time the current is 2.49 and the time is 4.46 seconds. So you will follow the same procedure and increase the current. At 40 volt you will get 0.56, 60 volt. This is an approximate reading that is attached in the manual. The reading may vary, but this will give you a rough idea of how to take the readings. So this is the complete process of conducting the experiment. To switch off this panel, you have to make this current source 0, push off this double pole MCB.